On at the very beginning, they actually started electrocuting the squirrels. I think you've heard about that.
Yeah.
And then I called the conservation police in the state of Illinois. They came up and they fined them. I don't know how much, but they were pissed. You guys got this so tight. Can you loosen them?
I loosened them before I put you in the car. I did.
They're really tight.
I loosened them. I loosened them.
Oh!
All right, step out. Step out.
Oh, God.
Oh, I think they got a DC McDonald's with some juveniles.
Mm. 4037, can you grab the plate off of that white car right there? 4028. About 40.
What's up? Conversation about what happened?
363.
Hey, Thomas.
Hi.
Hey, what's going on today, man? What happened earlier?
Nothing happened earlier.
Nothing happened with yesterday?
No.
Or not yesterday, earlier today between you and the neighbors?
No, nothing. I gave her a finger, but I didn't say anything.
Well, why'd you do that, man?
She just pissed me off. I'm
Okay.
sorry. But I didn't do anything. So I was in my garage. So she called you, I guess, huh?
Well, yeah. I mean, naturally, when you give someone the middle finger, especially with your guys' history, she's going to call us.
She looked at me and nasty way, so it just pissed me off.
Okay.
And they're parking there. They got 6 vehicles.
Okay.
They're parking 2 of them in front of my house, and then they got 3, and they got 2 in the garage, and 1. I mean, I can't do anything about that. It's fine because
I gotcha.
People parking in my driveway, but I'm sorry if I did anything.
Okay.
But
well, we'll be sure to pass it along. But we're going to say, Officer Ortega.
No, I'm just gonna add on a little bit to it. A lot of it was just more. I spoke with her. She's like she wouldn't even care.
I get so angry because these people they don't care what they do. I mean, early on in the very beginning, they actually started electrocuting the squirrels. I think you've heard about that.
Yeah.
And then I called the conservation police in the state of Illinois. They came up and they fined them. I don't know how much, but they were pissed. But whenever you do something, you need to find out what's right and what's wrong.
Okay.
Not just doing it. So basically, when they do it and it's not right, then I say something.
Okay.
So yeah, just going off about today's incident, about you give them the finger.
Yeah.
She even said if it was just herself, it would have been whatever. But the fact that she had her little daughter with, she felt like that was unacceptable, which it is.
Really?
Just looking at little kids, you can't be doing that.
Okay, I won't.
I mean, freedom of speech, whatever.
Okay.
Do what you want to do, but if a parent,
as long as they don't say anything to them, that's the thing. I can't say anything to them.
Correct. Well, okay, so correct. You can't say anything to them, but that doesn't mean that it's okay to give them the middle finger from across the lot. You know what I mean? That's not a very
Okay. Well, I'm sorry.
cordial thing to do. I mean, would you agree with that?
Yes,
Okay.
You're right. And
Well,
I apologize for
Okay.
that. But
well, the other thing,
don't
man,
let it
is
happen
you have a
again.
warrant for your arrest for violating the order previously.
Right.
So-
I haven't violated anything.
Well, there's a warrant for your arrest for violating it. All right. So what's gonna happen now? Just gotta put your hands behind your back. You gotta come with us. Okay.
Come on.
I'm serious, man. This is where we're at. So you gotta put your hands behind your back, man.
Wait,
Okay.
come on, sir. Let me go in the house
Put
first.
your hands behind your back.
I want to go to my house.
Put your hands behind your back, Thomas.
So
No.
Thomas. Just put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest because you have a warrant. Okay.
I'll explain to you. There was an incident that happened maybe 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago. Do you remember about that or anything like that? No? Okay. Well, apparently they called officers. I haven't read the report yet, but that officer found probable cause for an arrest warrant.
Cap 33 1095. And can you make a separate call for warrants and sign a report on the police? Make me primary. 10 will be on the original call.
Can I go in my house, please?
What do you need?
What do you need? We
We can. Is anyone else?
hold on.
Okay.
All right, well, hold on. Let me fix your handcuff.
Please.
Let me fix your
I'll
handcuff.
speak for
Okay.
Come on.
I know.
Is this for giving?
Can I
the
fix your
finger?
handcuff, Thomas?
Is this for the finger?
No. This is not for the finger. This is for another incident that occurred.
No, you didn't do anything.
And like I said, there was a warrant. We weren't here, but the officer that took that case had probable cause to put out an arrest warrant for you because you violated the no contact order. How or when, I'll let you know when we're going to go through. But
For now, Thomas, we have to go to my patrol call. Okay. We'll let your wife know what's going on.
I need to go in my house.
Okay,
please.
but
What do you
you're
need
not
to get
going
into?
to. You're going to stay here, Thomas, because
No,
you're not going to
please,
go inside.
I need to go in my house. Please.
Thomas, that's not going to happen. Okay.
Thomas, what do you need from inside your
Oh,
house?
come on, you guys.
Thomas, listen. This is not what we want to do, but we have to when you have a warrant. This is
man.
the law commands it. Okay.
You might have to
So,
Can you
step
please
inside
go
and
in and
speak.
talk to my wife?
We'll,
please?
we'll,
What's
we'll
her
wait
name?
here for him. Okay.
My
We'll
wife
wait here for Officer
has
Ortega.
Parkinson's, please.
Okay. Well,
You-
that's unfortunate, but we have to take care of this, Thomas.
Oh,
Where's
come
your wife?
on.
Where's she at?
She's in. Go in the house, please.
Can I go inside?
Yeah. Go in the house.
Okay. Wait with my partner here. Let me
What do you want him to let her know what's going on and everything? You want him to do
Yes,
that?
please.
Okay.
Oh God.
you want, you can start putting them over there now.
Go.
I'll wait for you.
Go to the right and then straight down.
What's her name?
But this is because that he gave her the finger.
No, this is not. This is from a previous incident that an officer reviewed, brought up before a judge, and the judge established that there was probable cause to arrest you, based off of what the officer brought to the judge.
Oh, come on. This is crazy.
So I wasn't.
If I hadn't done
wasn't being
anything
this officer.
today, it probably wouldn't have happened.
What? You're getting arrested?
Yeah.
Well, I'm not sure. Maybe the other officer would have came and arrested you because it might have been his case. But the reason why we're here today is because of the middle finger incident. And because of that incident, our dispatch ran you like they ran everyone when we go to calls because we have to know who we're dealing with. They saw that you have a warrant, and when you have a warrant, we have to act on that. That's not a option for us.
Oh, come on, you guys. I can't believe this. Oh, God. So I have to stay in lockup for overnight?
Correct. So
looking in that center door of 11.
there should be on Friday. There should be bond call at 1 o'clock. So you're gonna have to wait in the jail until 1 o'clock tomorrow, and you'll have a hearing. Because
So,
of it's a
I need to contact my lawyer then as well, right?
yes, correct,
Oh, God.
correct.
Oh, this is crazy. If I hadn't given her the finger, it probably wouldn't have happened, right?
Probably, yeah. We probably wouldn't be here if you didn't
Oh,
give her the finger.
shit.
So because of that is the reason why we came here. And
Oh, man.
So she said it's okay. That you're gonna. I told her that you'll give her a call in a little bit when we get to the police department.
So basically, I need to contact my lawyer.
well, so yeah, you can call them when you get to the police department.
I don't have my phone on me. So can I get my phone?
Well,
Where's your
sorry,
phone?
where's your phone at then?
It's-
He'll grab it for you then. If you want to grab the phone.
Do you know where
you
it's
can
at?
walk with me into the house.
No, we're not going to go into the house.
Where is it?
Listen,
I
Thomas, we're
think
doing you a
he's-
favor by getting you your phone right now. Okay. So-
Where is it? I can
It's
grab it.
possibly in the room.
Where's the fan? I know she can't get out.
To the left. Go in to the left, and then to the kitchen, and
Okay.
then
What kind of
the
phone is it?
family room.
What kind of phone is it?
It's an iPhone.
iPhone?
It's an iPhone.
Okay, give me 1 sec.
Yeah, I've been drinking. And
That's
you
fine.
know,
There's nothing illegal with drinking. That's fine.
but I gave her the finger in my garage.
Well, yeah,
not
but that's correct,
Is it
and
just
that's
one?
not why.
Yes, sir. That's it.
But that's not why we're arresting you. We're just here because of that. So we gotta head to my car. All right.
All right. And I'm sure they're taking a picture of this as well.
I don't know.
Okay.
Do you want to walk through the grass or the sidewalk?
No, let's go. Whatever.
Well, I just don't want you to trip.
Take off your
White?
flashlight.
Well, I don't want to trip over something, man.
No, but they're
Look, you got
recording
cans,
all
you got
this.
cans, you got curbs. I don't want to trip over something, man.
They're
Because,
recording
well, hear me
all
out,
this.
Thomas. Now, because you're under arrest and you're in my custody, I'm responsible for your safety. All right, so I got to make sure we get to the car safely. You know what I mean?
Okay.
So, street's good. We're good to go. All right.
Okay.
We'll go to that car over there, 36,
So which vehicle?
the one on the right.
One over here back here.
Back.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, I'm sure they're just having fun with this.
Yeah, the one this side. All right.
Got your
Yeah, I'll open in a second. You stand right here by this tire and face the car. I gotta search before you go in there, just to make sure you don't have any weapons on you. All right?
Nope.
No knives,
No
pocket knives or
weapons.
anything like
Nope.
that. Okay, I'm just gonna check your pockets real quick.
Okay. They have keys in there?
This one has keys. Oh God. Do you want me to leave any of these behind
Okay.
with Bonnie or anything? All of them?
That's my keys.
You want me to leave all?
Probably. Well, yeah.
All of
sure,
them?
Yeah,
Okay,
because
all right.
my other truck is in the shop.
Okay. Well, I'll hold on to them. Once I get you the car, we'll bring it. Check your back pockets.
So will I be able to get out tomorrow?
Do you have a t-shirt on under your jacket?
Nothing in there. I'm sure my neighbors is having a wonderful fit right now because they've got like
Go and have
3
a sit
cameras
around.
on me. Ow! Oh shit!
You all right?
Oh my god!
What happened?
My head.
Did you land on your hands?
Oh shit! You guys got this so tight. Can you loosen them?
I loosened them before I put you in the.
didn't
I
loosen them.
did.
They're really, really tight.
I loosened
Sorry.
them. I loosened
Ow.
them.
Oh!
All right, step out.
Ah.
Step out.
Oh god! Please!
Step out.
Oh shit!
Let them
Do you want me to?
Yes, can you step out so I can fix them? I got you. I got you.
Oh!
All right, step out. Bring that
Do I
right.
have to?
Yes, so I can loosen them. Face the car for
Please
me.
loosen them. Oh shit! Oh! 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 It's not like I'm gonna disappear on you guys. Oh shit! Oh!
All right, that's as loose as I can make them. All right.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Those are very loose.
Ah!
So
The right one is
That-
really, really tight. Please.
turn your hand like this.
Okay.
Your hands go like
Yeah.
this.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. Sit in the
Ah.
car, please.
Please loosen it.
They're loosened.
Something's wrong with
Thomas,
my finger.
they're
Is it
loosened.
bleeding?
No, it's not.
Oh God.
Your hand is fine.
Why is it
Oh
so
wait,
damn
never mind.
tight?
You're bleeding a little bit right here. Put gloves on.
Those ones separate, Thomas.
Maybe I should just run and let you guys shoot me. How about that?
We're not doing that. We're not doing that.
Please loosen it a little bit.
Thomas.
It's
Thomas.
really, really
You-
tight.
Okay, I'm trying to explain to you that they're as loose as they physically can be.
Oh my God.
The problem is your hands are supposed to be like this. Okay.
Okay.
Your knuckles are supposed to be
Okay.
touching. Right? They're
All right.
not supposed to be like how your hands normally are.
Can't you do it in the front? Why can't you do it in the front of me?
Because a policy is unless you have a serious shoulder injury or you're pregnant or some other type
Well,
of injury or capability that prevents you from having your hands behind your back, then we can put the handcuffs in front of you. But just because they're uncomfortable doesn't mean we can put them in front of you. All
Do you
right?
really think that I'm just gonna run or whatever?
No, I don't. But we have rules. all right?
Okay. Well.
So I'll help you. I'll help you into the car so
All
you don't
right.
slip again. Okay?
Please, carefully.
Yep.
Oh God, this is horrible. Ow!
I got you.
Okay. Ah!
You got a little cut on your finger. When we get to the police department, I'll clean it off. I'll help you clean it off. We'll
Okay.
get a Band-Aid on and everything. Okay?
Okay. Thank you.
All right.
Oh! Oh my God! It hurts. Oh my! Ah! I can't do this. I can't do.
What?
No, please. Oh shit. Okay. I just. Oh, well,
Oh boy.